You chose him because his personality is funny.
Yeah, he chose me because he wants to go viral. That's why.
How many tattoos you got, bud?
A lot. I lost count already.
Damn. 100?
A little bit less.
99?
About 98 and a half.
Oh. Where's the half at?
That's private. That's a very private area.
It's only Friday morning, but I thought about that earlier.
You know, we're working on the other half.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's impressive. I got you. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I didn't take my head off.
You're welcome. Nice. Ooh, that popped good, bud.
That felt good.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm 12 now.
Are you?
Yep.
And a half?
No, 12 and a quarter.
Oh, okay, sorry. My bad.